Hi coders, my name is Bhupender and I welcome you to my channel Adaptive Learning. Today onwards I am starting a new series and it is Do You Know JavaScript series. In this series you will learn JavaScript as a programming language and after that you will learn JavaScript on the browser side and after that you will learn also some advanced topic of the JavaScript related to OOPS. I'm not going to tell you like what is JavaScript and why do we call it JavaScript. If you want to know that, you can simply Google about it. You will know everything. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to explain about a script type, how you can enable JavaScript inside your HTML. That is, I'm going to explain. Okay, you need one thing because these days we can use JavaScript like on both the side, in front end as well as back end. Earlier we were using JavaScript on the on the client side. Now we can use JavaScript on the server side as well. So if you want to run your JavaScript directly, for that you need to download Node runtime environment in your system. Once you download that, then you can run your JavaScript file directly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code, and in here, as you can see, we have got two files, demo.html and index.html, and in inside index.html I have mentioned few things, like there are mainly four ways by which you can enable the JavaScript inside your HTML. So these two ways we don't use these two ways anymore. We use src, a script tag with src attribute, and then a script tag only. So when we are writing more JavaScript, it is recommended to make a separate file and then call that file from your HTML. So for that we use this src with a script tag with a src attribute, and then when we are writing less code in JavaScript, then we can simply use script tag directly. Okay, so if you have Node installed in your system, what can you do? You can directly run this file. So let me show you how. You just have to type in Node index.js. It will run the file for us, and as you can see, we are able to see hello adaptive learning. And how you can get the same output inside your HTML. For that you have to call that file first. For that you have to first define the script tag here, and inside the script tag you have to pass src and then the file name like this. And if I run my this demo.html with the live server, you will see the output. Let me open the developer console, and here you can see, if I reload the page, here you will see hello adaptive learning. So that means we are able to uh, we are able to enable the JavaScript inside our HTML. Okay, so this is the first way, but use this way when you are writing bunch of code in the JavaScript, then only it is going to give you some advantage, because when you're writing bunch of code you can handle here directly. Okay, you don't have to go every time here in this file. And you can also use script tag directly, or let me write a script, and here console.log hello Bhupinder, like this. And let me also oh, we have this script, let me remove. uh, Let me also type here h1, and inside h1 I just want welcome message. So now you will see welcome, and you will see these two things, hello Bhupinder and hello adaptive. So now you can see we are able to see welcome on the page, and in the developer console we are able to see hello adaptive learning and hello Bhupinder. Now you can see guys, JavaScript follows the order, whatever the order you are defining, whatever the order in which you are defining your script tag, it is going to follow that. So first this script tag will execute. After this script tag will execute. Okay, it follows the order. And you have to remember one thing here, like if we have defined like if we have set your src attribute, then you can't define something like can't write anything like this. If you do that, what is going to happen? It is going to, this line will get ignored. Let me show you. uh, as you can see, if I reload the page, you will see we are not getting that line because we have, set the src attribute. That is why this line, this line will always, get ignored. So we can't write anything when we have set the src attribute. Okay, so this is very important thing. And another thing, you can also, write the javascript on the browser as well. Like if you want to, like console.log, here hello adaptive learning, and then simply close it. Then you will see hello adaptive learning. And you will also, just like let equal to a equal to 5, then 4, and then if you want to print the value of a, then you simply like this, you will get 4. So you can write javascript on the browser as well. So now what, uh, let me show you one more thing. So what you have to remember, you have to remember, like there are 4 ways mainly by which we can enable the javascript inside our html. So these 2 ways we don't use anymore. And when we are writing bunch of code inside javascript, then you have to use this. And when we are writing less code in javascript, then you can use this script type. Okay, so guys, this is how you can enable the javascript inside your html. So I hope guys, you like this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.